Dual-run capacitors are essential for AC fan and compressor motors, providing the necessary phase shift for efficient operation. These capacitors have two sections, one for the fan motor, typically 5 to 15 microfarads, and another for the compressor, 35 to 50 microfarads, both rated around 370 to 440 volts AC. Before testing, safety is paramount. Always disconnect power to the AC unit. Discharge the capacitor using a 20 k ohm 5-watt resistor or an insulated screwdriver to short the terminals. Wear insulated gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Label the capacitor terminals as common C, fan F, and hermetic or compressor H to avoid confusion during measurement. As of recent OSHA updates post-2023, ensure capacitor discharge tools are included in your kit. To test a dual-run capacitor, use a digital multimeter capable of measuring capacitance. Set the multimeter to capacitance mode in microfarads. Connect the leads to the F and C terminals to measure the fan section. Readings should be within 5 to 15% of the rated value. For example, a 45.5 microfarad capacitor should read approximately 4.75 to 5.25 microfarads for the fan section. Next, measure the compressor section by connecting leads to H and C terminals. Expect readings within 5 to 10% of the rated value. For a 45.5 microfarad capacitor, the compressor section should read about 42.75 to 47.25 microfarads. To test for shorts, set the multimeter to ohms mode. Infinite resistance indicates no short, while low resistance indicates failure. Erratic or no readings suggest an open capacitor. If capacitance is correct but the unit malfunctions, use an ESR meter to check for high internal resistance. Remember, regular testing every 2 to 3 years can prevent costly compressor failures.